Hey folks, this video shows how to refill the salt for your Miele dishwasher. First you remove that cover and check the level of salt in that container. Here's a little bit but not enough. Place the funnel on the opening and pour the salt down. Only use the recommended salt. Only use the recommended Miele dishwashing salt. And be careful when you open up that opening so it doesn't spill everywhere. Just gently pour it in there and check the level. So I'm not quite there yet. I'm just going to fill it up a little bit more to get to the level. So you want to go about 3/4 of the way full. Now we place the lid back on. We'll put the basket back in there in a second. And you want to run a rinse program. Depends on your model. You might do an express wash or a rinse and hold or a short cycle. Just run a wash program to wash out any salt or salt water that sits on the bottom. Just want to get that out to prevent it from rust. As you see here, I'm trying to find a short program so I can get that started. Now here you click start, close the door, and let it complete that cycle.